Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. I want to do a video. So this company reached out to me, Mngarista I think it is. Sorry, I gotta get rid of the stupid, order 10% off. Like, yeah, go away. My Mngarista. It'll be in the description as well as the title. I might be saying it wrong. Do apologize. Now they sent this to me for review, but you know they're not paying me or anything. But there are these. So one is a carabiner type, and then the other one is a clip style. Sorry, I can't lift my arm. I'm dealing with an injury right now. So one is a belt clip style. I might do some close-ups with my other camera here in a bit. And then this one here is a carabiner style. And well, I'll turn it down and give you a better look. I'm trying to do this, and I was going to do this in the woods, but you know, stuff happened. So these are retractable style. So I know a lot of guys carry. Well, for me, working a security job, I carry a access card, which I'm not going to show you, but I actually have my access card, plus I have a couple of other cards, you know, emergency contacts and what radio frequent, you know, what radio channels have, you know, maintenance on it or safety on it or something like that. And so this is my typical carry. And in fact, I got to replace this because you can see it's already, if you can see that, it's starting to fray. So these things I will go through quite often, and I got to replace the cards too. So instead of carrying this little guy, retractable, which can break easy, you can actually carry one of these instead, which is a lot more sturdy. Which I might switch over to this one just because it's a lot, you know, better snapback, and it's probably not going to break as easy. And it's got a ring on here for carrying items. Now, I know people used to carry the EDC carabiner, which they had, you know, lots of stuff hanging on the bottom, bottles. And while I was getting all this together, I was thinking, I kind of miss my carabiner. I might look back into getting one going again. And granted, mine's a climbing rated one. This is pretty big. But what I was going to say is, you know, while you're out in the woods or just doing your thing, you know, you can hook this onto your pack. And you can, maybe you have like a pill bottle. So like, maybe you take heart medication or something. You could have this hanging in your pack. Or like, actually I have a bag behind the camera. You know, if you have like a day pack here, you could just simply hook this onto your, so you can let people know, hey, you know, if I'm coughing, wheezing, or grabbing my chest or something, you can probably put in a few supplies of, you know, medications that you need. Plus, it's got the badge holder as well, like I just showed. So they would go on this. But, you know, you don't have to use it for an access card. You could use it for maybe, sorry, that's my phone. Like emergency contact info, or like, hi, my name is, my medical condition is. So you can have that right on the outside of your pack. And if it's a card like this, you can get laminated cards laminated. So you just hook it on here. I'm sorry. My big hands bumping and everything. Hang on the outside of your pack here. So it could just simply say, my name is, emergency contact info is, medications I use, conditions I have, blah, blah, blah. And then if someone finds it, they can go, oh, hey, this guy has a heart condition. Oh, and here are his pills. Maybe that's what, you know, could potentially save your life. Or get you going again, perhaps. Or you could just simply say, if found, maybe you lost it. So you can hook this on there. I might actually start using this one because I like it. I like it a lot better than the little cheapy one. Get this out of my way. But you could also just stick it on the MOLLE webbing of your backpack, and you can hang on here. You know, all kinds of things you could hang on here. Maybe an extra blade, like this Essie Azula. If it doesn't come with a hanger, you could put a piece of this is just a zip tie I just stuck on there. How about a knife? Maybe one of these cool like multi-tools. Screwdriver, bottle opener, a few wrenches. Harshman Hills gave me this. Thank you, brother. Maybe a flashlight, spare flashlight, again with the little zip tie. Zip ties are hard to break. What you can do is I mean, they will break, but it's not easy. Maybe a ferro rod, which I couldn't find one handy, so it's probably in a pack. But ferro rod and a scraper, if that's what you want to roll. Maybe on the outside of your pack, you have like a little field sharpener, just a little Lansky. Keep your tools sharp. You know, that would be a problem, but I would just put a Ranger band around it, keep it from flopping. Or like this little lighter leash here with the carabiner on here. Just put a big lighter on here. There we go. So we have a lighter. I've had this thing a long time. I reached out to the company to try to get some of these, because they only sell them in like a large container. They don't sell them individually, which is too bad. Or what used to be talked about, a signal mirror. So you get to have a signal mirror hanging from your backpack, so it's not taking up space on the outside. You can just simply either hook it or carabiner it to the inside. So just a few ideas. So here's their website. And shooting it on the computer. So as you can see, it hooks on your belt for easy carry. They've got a retractable keychain, 8 ounce. It's $14, not too bad. They got the clip style. I guess the carabiner style again. Oh, I think this one has a light. It says light, but does it actually light up? I don't know if it lights up or not. It says light. I don't know why it says light, but it doesn't show a light. Huh. It's actually the first time I'm kind of looking at it, so. Well, it says light right here. But I don't see a light though. Unless they mean light as in not heavy, but well, whatever. I'll link the website below so you can get them thumb through if you want to. They have a wallet ID holder, a wallet as well. Which I actually like that ID holder. And it's only well, $15, but it's not bad. I might have to order that. Because I do actually carry an access card, so it'd be nice to have something better than the flimsy ass plastic I'm getting. But then it might interfere with the card readers too. But it says 5-card PC, so I guess you could probably use it for like ID or wallet, or like your driver's license and like a debit card or credit card while you're out in the woods, and just having a secure container instead of bringing your whole wallet along, possibly. So and then they have a wallet as well, which is kind of cool. I've never used a wallet like that, but $23, not super expensive. Oh, they're all sold out though, so I hope they order more, wink wink. I got the badge reels. I guess those are again. Oh, they got a 2-pack for just 17. Or 1 for 13, so you're better off just getting a 2-pack. It's cheaper. Save a little money. They have smaller ones. Yeah, I'm liking these. I think that's about it. So, all right. Well, alrighty. Well, so far I'm pretty happy with the products. In fact, I already stuck the carabiner one on my work pants when I go to work here pretty soon. So I'm gonna start using it today. So when if I do a year with the gear, if I do one, I'll have some actually real world practical experience with it, and I'll be able to say, yeah, it's been working great, or no, it's been sucking. But I really hope to get some wallets in. I was eyeballing those, but there's no point in reading all the description on the wallets if they're not available. Like, so hopefully you guys get some more in, because I'm going to send them this video link and say, here, check the product out. So all the links will be down in the description, and you'll go check it out. It'll be there for you. So anyway, have a great day, and we'll catch you next one. Peace out.